If y'all want to see how I went from this to this, then keep watching. So recently, Cardi B uploaded a new hair routine to her TikTok and I decided to try it out. Now, I'm going to try to do exactly how she did in the video for the most part. Some of the things I didn't find like the exact ingredients she used, and like for that ranch part that just passed up, I don't know if she actually used the ranch. I didn't, but hey, I'm going to try to follow it like basically exactly how it is, and hopefully my hair going to come out popping. Alright, first things first, I pulled up to Whole Foods. You know how that go. I had to get my little ingredients. First things first, what I'm doing is I'm cutting up an avocado so I can put both sides in the blender. And I only use the one. But if you want to kind of have this mask like for a long time, I say use more than one avocado because I only got one use out of this. And I feel like this is like the thing that really makes it. Next, we got our lovely mayonnaise, and this mayonnaise that she used from the video is actually like smells so nasty. I've never heard of like avocado mayonnaise, and I just knew this had to be at Whole Foods because like who has this? But it's not the best smelling, but like the actual avocado kind of cancels out any like bad smell, so you're gonna be all right. Now you can throw any type of oil you want in there. I just decided to use a castor oil like I said earlier. And I'm not really going by measurements with any of this. The only thing I kind of like measured, I guess, was like the fact of me putting like one avocado. But like I really just put like 2 to 3 scoops of mayonnaise and that was it. And boom, now we got these eggs. She only used 2 eggs, so I'm gonna only use 2 eggs. And we just gonna see how that go. So this is what your mix should look like before you mix it, and then this is what it should look like after. I put it on puree because I didn't want it to be too like liquidy. I need it to be a little clumpy so I can get a good bit of like nutrients in my hair and all that good stuff. And that's basically how masks are. But this is what my hair looked like before I did the mask. It was just in a low bun, so it looks crazy. It probably is like a week old. I didn't wash it. Like I just been wearing it up. But yeah, now we're gonna put this stuff in our hair. It doesn't smell the best, but we're gonna be all right. And no, it is still not time for us to put this on our head. First, we gotta go detangle our dry hair, which I've never detangled my hair dry like this before. So I'm gonna see how it works for me. It might actually help. She said it helps like detangle before and then you can detangle after, but we're gonna see. So I sectioned my hair off into 2 sections. I put some gloves on so it doesn't get too messy. And we're going to just slather that thing in there. And no, it does not smell that good. But I mean, it's not the worst mask I've ever had. Like that had a weird smell. So it's going to be Gucci. Another thing to remember when you're applying your mask is to really get it in there thoroughly. If you see like I'm really trying to separate my hair, make sure it gets into like all the different pieces, just because I really want like my hair to get all the nutrients it can and all the benefits from the mask. So yeah, whenever you are putting it through your hair, like don't just like slap it on the top of your head. Like make sure like you're raking it through your hair so it can get through everything. This is what the bottom half of my hair looks like after I've applied my mask. And yes, I've used half of the bowl just applying the bottom part, and I will end up using the other half for the top part of my head, for the top layer that I didn't do yet. But yeah, basically just do the same thing, like really get it in there, work that stuff in there. Like I said, I do have a good bit of hair, so like if you were trying to like basically make that mask and kind of preserve it for like more use or uses, then I would say definitely just double the ingredients that we used and you can definitely get some uses out of it. And voila, this is what it looks like with my whole head covered in the mask. And yes, I really did try to get deep in there. I hope y'all see that. That is what y'all should look like. At least if you're following me, this is what y'all should look like right now. It's time to break out those Walmart bags, whatever bags, grocery store bags. We're gonna twist this hair up, and I'm gonna let my hair sit in the grocery bag for about like an hour or two. In this actual time that I did it, it was like over an hour. It was definitely at like around 2 hours. I don't remember for sure. Like I definitely did go over 2 hours though, because I was doing homework while I was waiting for this to kind of sit. You can definitely go longer than 2 hours though. The longer the better. And I think the shortest amount of time for this is probably like a good 30 minutes if you don't want to wait that long. After the 2 hours, I'm just going to shampoo and condition my hair. I just want to let y'all know the products that I use to do that, just so y'all are not left out in the dark. And this is my hair after it's been detangled and shampooed and conditioned. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the rice water. And to see how I make my rice water, you can check out the link in my description box. Now let's roll this thing up and see what happens. I honestly haven't used rollers like these since I was like a little kid. Like this is what like you use for like when you had like a big thing coming up, and this is like your mom's like, let me put these rollers in your hair. Like this brings back so many memories. It's really nostalgic. I hated them though, because my mom made me sleep in them and I hated them. But hey, look at this on my head. All right. Not too bad, not too bad. Now you can either sit under like a hair dryer or just blow on it with your blow dryer, and or like let it air dry, whatever you want. Now my hair is blow dried, so let's get to straightening it. I really thought I did something with that little editing trick, but look at my hair. It's so soft. Like it really is shiny. Like I really just wish I would have got that kind of like frizz at like the top of my head, but whatever. I don't be peeping that until like after the fact. But it really made my hair super soft and super just lightweight. Very healthy feeling. I definitely need to cut some split ends that I'm peeping. I have not straightened my hair forever, so I really didn't know. But yeah, other than that, it's really great. I love it and will definitely be using this again. Thank you for watching this video, and like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.